is completely covered by the moon and you are able to see the corona. Now here comes the word corona. So the first word of corona, I heard it in 1980. I had read about it, but my first interaction with corona began in 1980. After that, there were annular eclipses also, and I had an opportunity of seeing at least 3 to 4 annular eclipses. But here, only one sad part is that we were not seeing much of the corona, but we were looking at the sun as if it was a ring. Then comes hybrid eclipses. In fact, I hope I can be able to see what is an hybrid eclipses, and definitely I would love to see it along with all of you. And a partial eclipse is already seen by many. When you are not in the path of the eclipse, you tend to see a partial eclipse. And in the partial eclipses also, one thing in all these eclipses one should remember, that you can't see an eclipse with naked eye. Please remember this, that you should not look at an eclipse without a mylar filter or ND5 or maybe even a welding glass. But normally we would suggest you to go for an ND5 filter, or better is now available mylar filters. So in all these eclipses, one thing you should remember is your eyes have to be protected. Why your eyes are important? Because your eyes do not have pain cells. Remember, your eyes do not have pain cells to tell you if there is a damage to your retina. So please be careful while looking at an eclipse. Try to see through a filter, mylar filter or an ND5 filter, and that will be safest for you to see an eclipse for as long as you want. But again, there is a word of caution which I normally want to tell you. Always don't try to look at any eclipses for more than 3 to 4 minutes. After that, you let your eye get back to its normal process and then you try